Good morning kids, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. I am Shivani Manna, I am your science teacher. Kids, in next to last class, we completed the chapters explanation. Now we are going to fill the book exercise. So open your book, page number 56. So first question is, take the correct answer. Question number 1 is, plants having lightweight and spongy bodies filled with water are called, this is floating plants. Floating plants. Tick in A part. Question number 2 is, which of the following plants bears needle-like leaves? Answer is pine. Answer is pine. Take that one. Third one, which of the following is an underwater plant? Answer is pondweed. Answer is pondweed. Take in A part. Fourth one is, breathing roots are found in mangrove. Breathing roots are found in mangrove. Take in C part. Fifth one is, plant whose leaves are reduced to spine are mostly found in deserts. Where it's found? Deserts. Take in A part. The last one is, which of the following is a fixed plant? Your answer is lotus. Means A part. I repeat this, pick the correct one. First is, plants having lightweight and spongy bodies filled with water are called floating plants. Second, which of the following plants bear needle-like leaves? Answer is pine. Third one, which of the following is an underwater plant? Answer pondweed. Fourth, breathing roots are found in mangrove. Fifth, plants whose leaves are reduced to spine are mostly found in deserts. Sixth, which of the following is a fixed plant? Answer lotus. The next is, name the following. Question number 2 is, name the following. First is, 2 examples of plants that grow in plains. Which plants grow in plains? That is banyan tree and mango tree. Question number 2 is, name the following. First one is, 2 examples of plants that grow in plains, that is banyan tree and mango tree. Second one is, 2 insectivorous plants, that is Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap and sundew. Yes to students. And the next is, the season in which terrestrial plants shed their leaves. Answer is winter. Answer is winter. Fourth one, 2 examples of underwater plants, that is pondweed or tape grass. Pondweed or tape grass. Fifth one, 2 plants that grow in desert, that is cactus or date palm. That is cactus or date palm. The last that having breathing roots are called mangroves. Kids, I repeat this, name the following. First two examples of plant that grow in place, that is banyan tree and mango tree. And second, two insectivorous plant, that is Venus flytrap and sundew. Third, the season in which terrestrial plant shed their leaves is winter. Fourth, two example of underwater plants, that is pondweed and tape grass. Fifth, two plants that grow in deserts, that is cactus and date palm. Sixth, plants that have breathing roots, it's called mangroves. Your last exercise is true and false. Write T for true and F for false statement. Question number 1 is, the land is wet and soil is clayey in hilly areas, that is false. Because where the soil is clayey, that is marshy areas. Second, leaves of banyan are reduced to spine to prevent water loss, that is false. Because banyan tree doesn't reduce the spines to prevent loss. Which plant is doing? Cactus and date palm. Means in desert plants are reduced spine to prevent water loss. The third one is, floating plants have broad leaves, that is floating plant have broad leaves, that is false. Clear? Because which plants have broad leaf, that is fixed plants. Fourth one, non-green plants have lack chlorophyll to make their food. It's true. The last one, trees of rainforest are evergreen. That is also true. Kids, your book exercise had completed. Now in next class we continue its notes. So thank you and have a nice day.